A 3D printer is only good if it's working, which is what the Stratasys F123 Series does day in and day out. From the steel box frame that helps maintain calibration, to the precision temperature control that protects parts while ensuring accuracy, the F123 Series is built to serve. With the F123 Series, we test for reliability, and we do that at two different levels. We do it at the component level so that we life test and accelerate test all of the components that are in here to make sure that they operate for the lifetime that it's designed for. But then as a whole, we have over 250,000 hours of testing with the printer printing. And what that does is that allows us to look at what parts will fail, what parts have failed, and we can redesign those. And that is way beyond the extent that any other desktop printers have done. We've also done over 65,000 hours of testing on the head so that we know that time and again, the parts and components in that extruder will last and work the same way every time, all the time. There are over 55 sensors in this system that we continually monitor. And we know that if something's out, we'll give a user warning so that the user will have that assurance that this printer is performing like it did the day you got it. And what that does is that allows us to know for a fact that the parts are being built correctly. We monitor temperature, we monitor the voltage of the motors, we monitor the extrusion flow, and all of those things add up to consistent, quality, reliable, accurate parts. Part of reliability is understanding that your part is going to print time and time again. The software on this will email you and say, hey, the printer has paused, and it will give you a reason that it is paused. It will tell you when the part is done. Backed by thousands of hours of testing and a range of materials specifically tuned for the printer, the Stratasys F123 delivers unparalleled performance and reliability year after year after year. You can't find a better value.